This is Wesley Dodson down here at Central Kentucky Classic Cars, and we're going to do another video for you today. Today we have a 1967 Chevrolet Camaro, finished in yellow, and yellow came that way out of the factory. We have the original bill of sale and the original order slip for the car. Power steering, power disc brakes, factory air. Awesome car right here, and we're going to take a look at it. It does have premium interior in the car as well, so that's pretty cool. We do offer shipping, and financing is available on any car that we have. And we're going to take a look at this 1967 Chevrolet Camaro. Absolutely beautiful car here, finished in the butternut yellow with yellow interior with the premium black stripe. Gorgeous. It's got the hubcaps, the red lines, just an absolutely beautiful car right here. We're going to take a look at it. First, we'll take a look at the passenger side of the interior here. All nice and clean. All the doors are excellent in the car. Super, super clean. Love the dash. Premium door panels. All the headliners in excellent shape. It has a rear speaker controller. Control the front and the rear speaker. FM tuner. All the right vents for the factory air. Really looks good. All nice and clean. Right floor mats for the car. Shut the door here. Take a look inside the trunk. Inside the trunk, we have the factory spare. We got the factory spare and the jack. Oh, looks good. Nice and clean inside the trunk. All right, we're gonna shut the trunk here. Shuts nice and easy. He's gonna start it up for me. Starts up easy. Just sounds so good. Got a great sound to it. Show you the driver's side here. All nice and clean. It's got the ashtray. Cut it off here. I'm gonna take a look underneath the hood. All the horn works. Horns work. All the lights work on the car. Blinkers, turn signals, everything works. Doors shut nice and easy. Take a look underneath the hood here. It's powered by a 327, 1968 model 327. Power steering, power disc brakes, factory air. Just an absolutely gorgeous car right here. Beautiful, beautiful. Shut the hood here. Take one more quick look at the 1967 Chevrolet Camaro. All right, if you have questions on this car, you can give us a call, 859-621-5572, or go on our website at centralkentuckyclassiccars.com. We do offer shipping and financing, again, on any car that we have for sale. We're going to take this car for a test drive. If you would, please like and subscribe on our page. Helps us out a ton. We've done great this year, and we hope to do even more muscle cars in the coming year. So, all right, this concludes this part. We're going to get ready for the test drive. All right, we're going to take this 1967 Chevrolet Camaro for a test drive and see how it does. Beautiful day here in Kentucky. Almost the holidays. We're getting close. Always an exciting time for the holidays, and you know what better time to get yourself a great Christmas present than this Camaro right here. Start off the new year right with a beautiful 67 Camaro. All right, here we go.
Such an original car, all
Yeah.
original, unmolested car, really nice.
Yes, sir.
Just the way it was when you buy it off the showroom floor in '67.
Love driving this car. Hate to turn around so early, but we're going to turn around and head back. Show you the turn signal working in the dash there. I'll show you the other one there, Dad. Go ahead and flip it to the other one. There you go. Turn signal's all working. Horn works.
Only thing that doesn't work is the driver.
Yeah. All right, as we do every time, I'm going to have him get on it just a hair. We got a little bit of traffic coming through here. Have him get on this Camaro and see what this little 327 is made of. All right, here we go. Does great, shifts through all the gears the right way, doesn't rattle or shake. It's got good tires on it.
Handles really nice.
Yes, it does. Brakes easy. All right, we are almost back here. Like we do every time, we'll show you what it looks like underneath. Don't forget to like and subscribe on our page so we can see more cool muscle cars just like this one. All right, we're going to show you what it looks like underneath. All right, here we go.